The first of the three pillars of fitness is your diet. In combination with a regular exercise program and a positive mindset, your diet will have a huge impact on your personal well-being and can prevent and even reverse many diseases. When we look at proper dieting and nutrition, we can generally distinguish two main goals: dieting for general health and dieting for fitness. Now, you would think that both are the same, since a healthy diet will also benefit your fitness. And this is true in most cases. But fitness-oriented diets will always have a slightly more nuanced and specific diet requirement than one that is only geared towards maintaining your health. Why is this? If you've taken my course on healthy eating, you know that we can live a healthy life with many different dieting setups, from low carb to vegan to intermittent fasting and pretty much anything in between, as long as you meet certain criteria, for example, your ideal calorie balance, while eating mostly unprocessed quality foods. Now, a fitness diet is similar in that it has the same requirements as a healthy diet, but on top of that, certain macronutrient needs go up. Most important here is protein, which, if you want to build muscle and lose fat, is critical to your success. Whereas someone who diets only for health can get away with eating maybe 0.4 grams of protein per pound of body weight per day, someone dieting for muscle growth should consume at least 0.8 grams of protein per pound of body weight, sometimes more. So in this section, and because this is a health and fitness course, I will not only teach you the fundamentals of healthy dieting, but also the fundamentals of a fitness-oriented diet. We will cover things like your optimal daily calorie intake, your ideal macronutrient split, and which foods should make up most of your diet. One more thing before we get started. Too often, people relate nutrition and diet to restrictions and having to battle through cravings and hunger. Fortunately, this doesn't have to be the case if you know what you're doing. As you will see, successful dieting can be fun and should ultimately improve your quality of life, not reduce it. This is why I will present you with a positive view of nutrition and help you design a meal plan that fits your lifestyle and needs.